Here's everything you need to make the cauliflower chickpea curry, taken from the How Not to Die Cookbook by Dr. Michael Greger. Put 2 red bell peppers in the oven to broil, turning whenever they turn black. Wash the green beans and trim the ends and cut into bite-sized pieces. Cut up the cauliflower. I use the purple variety. Dice 1 red onion. I like to slice it one way, the other way, and then the third way to get a nice small dice. Take 1 cup of veggie broth and heat it in a skillet. Add the red onion to the heated broth and saute for a couple of minutes. Add 2 cloves of garlic and saute another couple of minutes. After 2 minutes, the onions should become transparent, and then you can add the diced jalapeno pepper. Add curry powder with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, the cauliflower, a great cruciferous vegetable, green beans for fiber and added protein and B vitamins, tomatoes to increase the vitamin C and absorption of iron from the other veggies. When your peppers are done blackening, take them out, put them in a bag, and cover them for 10 minutes and then peel off the skins. Add them to the rest of the veggies and cook until tender. Then add the almond milk, nutritional yeast, smoked paprika, and chickpeas. Cook an additional 5 to 10 minutes until all the flavors meld. Optionally, you can puree part of it or serve as is over brown rice. Yum!